will be very happy together. It may take a little longer than you to clean a room,